Both these infographics were generated with the exact same ChatGPT prompt, but one of them is completely wrong. And if you use AI to create visuals for your work, your students, or your audience, you've probably been making the same mistake. Let's fix it. Here they are, two infographics about feudalism and land-holding tires. First one, I just asked ChatGPT to make me an infographic. Visually, it looks nice. But here's the problem. It treats all 6 levels as equal tires, when in reality, some are roles, some are relationships, and one isn't even a rank. Anyone reading this will walk away with feudalism wrong. Now, the second one. I made ChatGPT do its homework before generating anything. This time, the hierarchy actually reflects the reality. So, you don't just get something that looks good, you get something that's actually correct. And it only takes one extra step. Step 1 is getting the information right. That means extracting it and organizing it to a structure that shows how the pieces actually relate. Go to ChatGPT. You've got 2 options. Either upload a document to ChatGPT and have it analyze it, or give it the topic and tell it to do its own research. I'm going with the first option. I'll upload a document that contains information about the EU AI Act. Then I'll run this prompt, and it's a thorough one. It tells ChatGPT exactly how to break down the information at the right level of detail. The only things you need to change are the target audience and source material fields. I'll go with business owners as the audience and what to do to comply with the EU AI Act as the source material. And after a moment, ChatGPT comes back with the breakdown, all the key points properly structured. Perfect. The next step is visualizing all that information. In the same conversation thread, I'll enable the Create Images option and set the aspect ratio 9:16. Then I'll paste the second prompt. This one focuses on presenting the information in a way that's genuinely helpful because it follows Mayer's multimedia learning principles and visual hierarchy rules. Here, the only thing you need to tweak is the value in the output language field. And here is the result. The visual style and aesthetic are exactly what I asked for. And more importantly, all the layout rules I set are right there, with information prioritized and presented properly. This is truly helpful. As always, you can find both prompts in the link down in the comments. But what if you don't have the necessary information? If you don't have a document with everything you need, you can swap out the first prompt with this one instead. All you need to do in this version is explain to ChatGPT what to research. Let's try 5th grade students and the 5 kingdoms of living things. ChatGPT goes ahead and tracks down the information we asked. Alright, I'll now enable Create Images and run the second prompt just like before. And there you have it, a flawless result with a clean structure suitable for learning. Exactly what I was expecting. The problem with most AI-generated infographic is that they look impressive, but pedagogically they are usually wrong. By first running the educational analysis prompt and then following up with the tailored visualization prompt, you'll create images that aren't just beautiful. They are pedagogically sound and factually correct. Now, if you want to create 3 structures that are also accurate, then do not miss the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you.